guys, I'm Malena. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to share with you some things that I got in the mail the other day from my all-time favorite cosmetic company, Tarte Cosmetics. They sent me a box full of some goodies, so I want to open it up and share it with you guys. I always love unwrapping their boxes because they just have so many cute little details. It's like a surprise every time you open up their box. It says, "Hello Tartlet, why choose between beauty that works and beauty that's healthy? Rethink natural." I'm all about some natural products. They have this cute little wrapping paper that has Tarte all over it with unicorns. That's cute, right? Then I get into the good stuff. First thing, another cosmetic bag. I've got them everywhere. They're in my gym bag, they're in my bathroom, my purse, at work, in the car. I got another one. Love these things. Next item that I got, this is the Confidence palette. It's a creamy powder foundation in the color Medium Honey. I'm not one for foundation, but I figured a powder foundation may be more up my alley. I love everything they do. I mean, this is so cute. So check this out. A box within a box. You've got Make Today Beautiful. Gotta love their packaging. Then you open it up and you've got your little sponge, and let's see what color we're working with here. Okay, not bad. There you go. So far, that's a nice pretty color. I like it. The next item that I got, this here is the Color Clay Precision Cream Liner Palette. Now, I chose this because it has 3 different colors. You've got the choice between black, brown, and I think it's more of like a mauvey purple color. Something great to throw in my little gym bag. Yeah. This is something new. It's not something I normally wear. Color Clay CC Primer in the color Tan. I love the way it feels. It's super soft. It's not like heavy. So yeah, that would be great under that powder. We're getting into the good stuff. So I got these together. So I've got the brush, has 2 separate ends on it. This is the Etch and Sketch. I like the name of it. This here is the waterproof eyeliner in the color brown. I thought brown would be a good color just because I have so many black. This is the Amazonian Clay waterproof liner. So yeah, I got that with the brush. And this is what this guy looks like. That is a very nice brown. It's not too dark. Yeah, I'm excited to try that one. The next item that I got, golly, it's like Christmas. Everything, I just keep digging and digging and there's more and there's more. So this is the Color Clay Bronzing Blush. Park Avenue Peach Bronzer. I'm not much for wearing blushes just because my face gets flushed. So yeah, their packaging is super cute. And then, yeah, I really like that. That's very pretty. It's not overly brown, not overly pink. It's a very natural color. So yeah, this will be great to use, you know, just when you need a little extra color. So if I didn't get much sun that day, I can always add a little bit to my cheeks. Liven me up some. The next item that I got is mascara. Now, I'm not one to wear mascara, but hey, you know, I can always hold on to this when I need it. Now this is Lash Extending Fibers. So apparently it's got a 3-step process. You add the mascara, you add the fibers, and then you add the mascara again to set it. I'm gonna open it up, show you what it looks like. It's a little different, not something I'm used to, but you know, like I said, it's worth a shot. Try it out and see how I like it. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to add the mascara, which I'm assuming this one's the mascara. Okay, we're going to add this one. Boom. Add your base. After that, you're going to add your fibers, which I'm kind of scared. Looks like critters. That kind of freaks me out a little bit. But anyway, after that, then you're gonna go back and you're gonna add your mascara over the fibers, and apparently it gives you more length and volume and a voluminous look to your eyes. So yeah, it's worth a shot. I'll try it out and see. I'm not too sure about the fibers. That kind of freaks me out a little bit. So moving right along, we've got the lip paint. Now this is the lip paint and Delish. I like me some Delish. So that is very pretty. It's an all year round color. Can't have enough lip paints and lipsticks and chapstick, all that good stuff. You always get your little samples, which I love getting the extra little samples. So here I got a sample of Amazonian Clay 24-hour blush in Fearless. And that's what that looks like. Very pretty. It might be too pink for me, but we'll see. I'll play around with it and see how it works before I buy it. And then I got the C Brightener eye treatment. So yeah, I'll try that out and let you guys know what I think about that. I saved the last two for my favorite. This here is the Tarte Graveyard Girl Swamp Queen eyeshadow palette. The reason why I picked this one out is just because I love the natural, beautiful colors in this. It's got enough shimmers in it. It's got enough mattes in it. It's got the pinks that I love that go with my skin tone and my eye color. So yeah, I'm excited to try this one out. And here it is. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It's beautiful. Tarte has like some of the best eyeshadows. The pigment is just perfect. It's not too cakey. It's just perfect powder. It doesn't have much fallout. Yeah, so I want to do a video on that one for sure. The last item that I got, I saved the best for last because this is my all-time favorite. Whether it's in the wintertime or the summertime, I am all about tanner. Can't go wrong. Tarte just puts out the best self-tanner out there. It is one of those where you get the mitt along with your tanner, and the tanner just has a good smell to it. It's not one of those where you smell like potato chips or Doritos, as my husband says. It almost reminds me of like chocolate. So yeah, that's it. That's all of the products that I got in my Tarte box, and I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.